Oh my gosh. Oh
Just
my.
waiting there for me, my friends. We're gonna smile to our camera on the right. Say hi. There you go.
What's up?
On my countdown, Drew, big head first dive, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bungee.
Oh! 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 Whoa! Oh! Oh man! Oh my gosh!
I'm gonna get some photos again, so smile to our camera. There you go. On my countdown, you know the drill, hey? Head first
Yep.
dive. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bungee.
Oh! 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 That is so sick. Look at this view. This is around, I think, 132 meters, over 400 feet that we just fell, and it's absolutely gorgeous here in New Zealand.
Oh, this is really nice.
Going backwards?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Oh my
Job,
god.
mate.
Oh, this is a lot worse.
It's worse, isn't it? Alrighty, you can just wait there for now. We'll put this one down, and then you can get those heels nice and close. Beautiful. We are going to smile to our camera on the right again. So hi. Alrighty. Remember to stay nice and straight. You're going to keep your eyes on me for as long as you
Yep.
can. Touch your pop. And on my countdown, yeah?
Yep.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Ah! Oh! Oh! Yeah. Woo! Light work.